morning, guys. It's a terrible morning. I'm joking. It's a very terrible morning. I woke up super early. I'm excited. It's a new day. It's a new day. It's a beautiful day. It's day 2. I want to install my hair. Guess what? Guess. Before I confess, guess. I don't have got to be clue. Johnny. Even I don't know. Look, I am ready to install my hair. Like, I have today planned out so perfectly. Like, I'm supposed to be a gorgeous girl today, and I do not have got to be. Yesterday, I went around, I went to cliques, I went everywhere. I did not think that I don't have got to be clue. What can happen now? What can happen? Because I'm ready to install my hair. Mfuna khala. Why do I have an alarm? It's annoying me, Javel. Anywho, so I have this holding spray and I got this for my curls, like my actual hair. I'm gonna see if it can work. Okay, let's try and see if it can work. Yo, Nkosi Jesu. Gorgeous girls. I look so cute today. I am just so happy with the way I look today. Today I'm just a happy person. And I got here on time. I made it on time. You guys, I'm waiting to have that 50 Shades of Grey experience. If you know what I mean. If you don't know, if you don't get it, forget about it. But yeah, I am here to have my 50 shades. But mine is a 50 Shades of Blue. 50 Shades of Blue. I'll show you guys my outfit. I hope you will see my outfit.
Please give me your attention for 2 short minutes while I walk you through our safety procedures. To ensure your safety and comfort, it is important to follow the instructions of our dedicated grounds crew at all times. If any of your items take a flight
kanje portrait friend noma.
Portrait too?
Yeah, portrait. Nangu mama uyafona mama. Amphendule simuthi. Uya stress man.
Still on, nah? It's still on, yeah?
Yes, what day noma eMpumalanga.
Mpumalanga.
Oh, eMalahleni.
Emalahleni abakhuluma isiSwati.
Bakhulumani.
Kuhlangahlangene. Right. Yabonga. Do my hotel tour. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Okay, this is my bed. And I have a little chilling area. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my gosh, I have a couch, TV. This is just, it's aesthetically pleasing. I'm not gonna lie. I don't understand why I have a full kitchen. Why do I have a full kitchen? What am I gonna do with all of this space? Why do I have a full kitchen? I don't even have this big of a kitchen at my own place, but I really appreciate it. Absolutely love it. I don't have an exciting view. That's all that I got. But yeah, I'm not gonna be cooking, so I know there is nothing in the fridge, and we got a tiny mirror. You guys, this was my OOTD today. I looked so cute. Cutie in a blue. Flashing, which means it's low, but this place is actually warm. I love that it's not cold. You guys, I installed my hair too good. Where's the lace? Show me the lace. Anywho, absolutely loved my outfit today. This was my, what do we call it? I forgot.